You could find many videos and articles on the internet like I will teach you how to make money online. Easy like this, easy peasy. Internet is full of that kind of shit. What's up everyone, my name is Mike, I am a software engineer, Forex algorithmic trader, and recently I live a life of an expat on the Koh Samui Island, which is the second largest island of Thailand after the Phuket. Let's focus on today's topic of the video, which is me telling you my story of how I decided to become a trader, the ups, the downs. And if you are interested, please stay with me, and if you like content about programming, algorithmic trading, forex trading and stuff like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. So if I want to tell you the full story, we need more than a few days for that. I've been struggling for 7 years before I started to constantly withdraw more than I deposit from the markets. So let's keep it short as possible. So I started 7 years ago with binary options trading. But you know, at that time I was pissed on the entire industry of multi-level marketing. I was trying this stuff and blogging. So you could find many videos and articles on the internet like I will teach you how to make money online. Just buy this course from me on how to blog, write your own blog and sell the same course basically. Easy like this, easy peasy. But you know, I hated this business. I really hated this business and those people. You know, this business model, after trying so many times, I was even monetized lead for 4 months for one person. I mean, by that I was paying monthly $100 just for being on the lowest level of this multi-level marketing pyramid. And from what I remember, it was called, I think, the Empower Network, something like this. So my mentor, my upline, was trying to teach me something that I think she also didn't understand. But from what I remembered very well, at that time I was working in the UK at some chicken factory or plastic factory, something like this. Just wait for a plane. So yeah, I was working in the UK at some chicken factory or plastic factory for a minimum wage. I was stupid, broke, 19 years old, and you know, the kid with dreams without any savings, without visa to USA at the time also, you know, just full of energy person and motivation to make some big money, but no knowledge at all. And you know, and the only thing my mentor was trying to do was to convince me to buy more expensive package of membership and come to Los Angeles, California for paid event. You know, just for a quick reminder, I was 19 years old, broke, no savings, no USA visa, working in the chicken factory in UK. And this lady wanted me to buy flight tickets from the London to LA, pay the accommodation for a week, buy more expensive courses and get visa somehow to USA, and all in 2 months. You know, for me at that time it was ridiculous. Really, you understand my point, I hope. So believe me, the internet is full of that kind of shit, of that kind of people that say, you know, they say shit all the time, like how they make a lot of money online or how you can become filthy rich by, you know, just buying this course, just buy this mentorship from me and you will become like me, very rich with doing basically nothing. I hate it. So for example, you buy this amazing course and what you got ebook written in 2 pages with small essay that you should learn how to run a blog, and sell the same course in my blog to teach people how to run a blog. Stupid. I hated it. So it was like cheating on people, kind of. I really didn't like it. So when I look at this back in the time, I can see, you know, incoming overdated rage at those people. I mean, you know, do not get me wrong. There are still some good people, good content, even good courses on how to make money, and some of them work, but you know, 99% is shit. It's really shit on the internet. I wasted my entire social life when I was 20, 21, 22 and 23 years old. And all those years, and I still didn't find the 1% that is actually working. To be honest, I finally started to understand how to play this game of life, how to play this game of making money online when I started to run this YouTube channel. And you may ask, Mike, it took you that many years to figure it out, to make YouTube video, upload it, turn on monetization and make money? No, it wasn't like this at all. I tried YouTube when I was playing around with this blogging MLM shit. But I was stupid because no one told me about that I need to create unique content that people might be interested to. Recording and uploading to YouTube is easy. Everyone can do this. But recording videos that people might look for by searching in Google, not that easy at all. So I guess for me at least, I am still learning how to make interesting videos for you. But the YouTube was the solution. And how did it help me? It's simple. It reverted the entire process. Instead of me searching for information on online money opportunities, I positioned myself in a situation where people search for me to find a solution to their problem. And those problems, due to my industry, are related to finance, programming, trading. And when they find a solution, they might have an idea for another project, another brand new project that they could make with my help. So then I started to receive information instead of searching for it. And at that same time, this information that was coming to me was much more better quality than stuff that you can find by searching about making money online or trading. Google is full of shit. But anyway, this only happened after I started posting constantly one video per 1 week, with my third attempt for creating interesting content for you guys. So, and it also took some time, and this model is still working. And I had also some point in my life that I was overwhelmed with all the business opportunities that I physically couldn't handle. All the projects, even trying with some coding help with my friend. But it was just too much to handle and manage at the same time for 1.5 person. So I had to resign from many projects and stick only with the most important ones. And anyway, coming back to Empower Network and this multi-level marketing bullshit, after 4 months of paying the stupid membership, I had to quit. I tried, I followed all the steps of the tutorials given. I made myself stupid across all friends, posting on my social media content where, the first video was me talking about the blogging platform and trying to convince everyone in my social network friendship that this product helped me. But in the end, when I look at this right now, and I remember I felt very embarrassed, very ashamed. But anyway, my determination for me to start making money online and quit the plastic factory was just too big. It was still there. So I started digging again in this Google stuff. But this time I decided to tighten my criteria on how I want to make my money online. So after this story with multi-level marketing, I knew one thing. I knew I didn't want to sell anything to other people in order to make my money or interact with any people at all during the process of working and making this online money stuff. So I started digging, and we all know that there are not so many things that fall to this criteria, and you know what I found. But it wasn't stock trading, it wasn't Forex, but what I found was binary options. Binary options was the first thing that I found about trading, and this thing just brought me into this industry. So this is how I found out about, becoming a full-time trader. That was the very beginning. But what happened during my trader journey to that point where I am right now, if I want to tell you the full story, we would need a few hours for that. So I decided to share my trading journey from the very beginning till now in a very, very, very easy shortcut version in the next video, just to make the split. And anyway, guys, if you like that kind of content of me sharing my ideas and stuff about my thoughts, just let me know in the comments what kind of videos would you like to receive. And anyway, if you like the content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We have also a Discord community where we can exchange interesting ideas, so the link should be somewhere in the comments or in the description of this video. And anyway, if you like this content, see you in the next video.